Flip the joysticks to unsecure the cap driver. Remove the 3 screws. Slide the cap driver out. Before putting the cap driver away, latch the 2 buckles to secure them in place. Click Move Frame. Select Frame. Select Cap Driver. Check mark. Open the joysticks before installing the cap driver. Place brackets on the metal base. Make sure these 2 parts snap into the grooves. Install the 3 screws and tighten them halfway. Half-tighten the 3 screws. Open the upper buckles. Close the joysticks to secure the cap driver. Press down the emergency button. Push the cap driver and check whether this white plastic slider is centered. Make sure it is in the middle of slot. Hold the cap driver by hand and then tighten the screw. Slide the cap driver to the other side. Check whether the white plastic slider is centered. Then tighten the screw. Slide the cap driver left and right to check for any sticking or abnormal noise. Rotate to deactivate the emergency button.